Grade 6 Unit 5 Lesson A. Jungle. 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 Is only of a rainforest. 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 Includes all the plants and animals that live there. The different stratas of the rainforests. The emergent layer. The emergent layer. The emergent layer is the highest part with the tallest trees. There is sunlight and wind. Birds live in this strata. The canopy. The canopy. The canopy is formed by the tops of trees that are 40 to 80 meters tall. The canopy covers the rainforest like a roof and collects most of the rainfalls. The understory. The understory. The understory is very hot and humid. There is little sunlight and wind because of the canopy. The forest floor. The forest floor. The forest floor is dark and quiet. It's covered with leaves, seeds and branches that have fallen from trees. Strata. 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 A layer of the earth. From top to bottom. From top to bottom. From top to bottom. From up to down. Humid. 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 Containing a lot of water, damp. Penetrate. 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 To make a way through something. Quiet. 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 Calm. Dark. 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 Without light. Leaves. 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 Plural of leaf. One of the thin flat parts of a plant of tree. Biome. 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 The characteristic plants and animal. Seed. 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 The small hard part of a plant from which a new plant of the same kind can grow. Branch. 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 One of the main parts of a tree that grows from its trunk and often has leaves. Tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests. The part of the world that is between the two lines north and south of the equator where the climate is hot. Occupy. 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 To use a piece of land. Species. 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 Kinds of birds and animals. Originally. 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 Mainly. Medicine. 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 Pills, liquid that you take in order to treat an illness. Ant. 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 A kind of insects that live in the trees. 25%. 25%. 25%. 25 of each 100. Continent. 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 Africa and Asia are continents. The weather. The weather. The weather. The climate at a certain place and time, how much wind, rain, sunshine. The Atacama Desert. The Atacama Desert. The Atacama Desert. Desert which is located in northern Chile and the southern tip of Peru. Tip. 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 The pointed end of something. For example, the southern tip of Peru. Approximately. 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 About or nearly. Life form. Life form. Life form. Kind of any sort of life. Bacteria. 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 Very small living things that can only be seen with a microscope. Gain information. Gain information. Gain information. No. The environment. The environment. The environment. The natural world. Mars. 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 The planet that is fourth in order from the Sun and second nearest to the Earth. Confuse. 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 Cannot understand clearly. Refer to. Refer to. Refer to. As an example of. Vegetation. 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 An area that has a lot of trees and plants. manage to, manage to, manage to, able to or can, clearing, 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 a small trees in the middle of wood or forest, thick, 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 heavy trees, machetes, 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 long knives. Grade 6. Unit 5 Lesson B. Animals. Anaconda, anaconda, toucan, toucan, basilisk, basilisk, anteater, anteater, name, anaconda, type of, snake, appearance, greenish brown 2 rows of black spots, food, animals, abilities, smells with its tongue, name, toucan, type of, bird, appearance, colorful, food, fruits, bird eggs and insects, abilities, hops around on trees, name basilisk, type of, lizard, appearance, long thin, long tail, food insects worms and spider, abilities, runs on water, name, anteater, type of, mammal, appearance, long snout small mouth long tongue, food, ants and termites, abilities, good sense of smell, greenish brown, greenish brown, greenish brown, having a mixture of the 2 colors green and brown, spot, 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 a small round mark of a different color on something, snout, 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 the long nose of certain animal, tongue, 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 the soft organ inside the mouth, fang, 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 a long sharp tooth, prey, 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 an animal that is killed and eaten by another animal or bird, squeeze, 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 to press something hard for a particular purpose, swallow, 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 to make food pass from your mouth down your throat, beak, 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 the hard pointed part of bird's mouth, toe, 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 finger in your foot, forward, 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 in the front, backward, 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 behind at the back, hop, 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 jump, lizard, 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 a small reptile with 4 legs, rough skin and long tail, crest, 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 a group of feathers, carnivore, 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 an animal that eats insects, spider, worms and other small animals, mammal, 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 animals that give birth, bushy, 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 having lots of hair, termites, 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 white ants, iguana, iguana, jaguar, jaguar, basilisk, basilisk, toucan, toucan, macaw, macaw, anaconda, anaconda, ant, ant, anteater, anteater, tapir, tapir, sloth, sloth, monkey, monkey, frog, frog, busy, busy, active, active, shining, shining, reflecting light, reflecting light, flexible, flexible, able to move freely, able to move freely, ferocious, ferocious, fierce and dangerous, fierce and dangerous, funny looking, funny looking, Having a comical appearance. Having a comical appearance. Agile. Agile. Able to move gracefully. Able to move gracefully. Speaking part. This animal is graceful and ferocious. It's a jaguar. This animal is agile and funny looking. It's a spider monkey. This animal is colorful and curved beak. It's macaw. This animal is bright green and shiny. It's tree frog. This animal is busy and energetic. It's anteater. Grade 6. Unit 5 Lesson C. Medical plants. Ginger. Ginger. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Lemongrass. Lemongrass. Mono. Mono. Some definitions. Oil. 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 Heat liquid until bubbles appear. Squeeze. 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 To extract a liquid by pressing together. Crash. 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 To break into small pieces by force. Inhale. 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 Intake of air. Stomachache. 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 Pain in the stomach area. Fever. 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 When the body temperature is higher than normal. Rash. 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 Red spots or irritation on the skin. Motion sickness. Motion sickness. Motion sickness. The urge to vomit caused by movement. Cough. 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 Expel air from the lungs with loud noise. Cold. 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 A viral illness usually includes a runny nose. Live sustainably. Live sustainably. Live sustainably. To level without damage in or using up the natural resources. Isolated. 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 Not connected with others. Population. 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 The number of people who live in an area. Survive. 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 To stay alive. Tribe. 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 A group of people that have the same language and or ruled by a chief. Lifestyle. 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 The way of living. Destruction. 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 Great damage. Contact. 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 To communicate with others. Cure. 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 To make somebody healthy again. Knowledge. 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 Information or facts that you have in your mind about something. Passed down. Passed down. Passed down. To give something to people who live after you have died. Medicine man. Medicine man. Medicine man. A person who gives medicine to cure people. Shaman. 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 Medicine man. Variety. 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 Different kinds. Serious illness. Serious illness. Serious illness. State of being unhealthy due to dangerous disease. Cancer. 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 A dangerous disease that causes death. Asthma. 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 A medical condition that causes difficulty in breathing. Headache. 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 Pain in head. Ailment. 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 An illness that is not very serious. Remedy. 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 Something that makes you better when you are ill or in pain. Scratch. 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 Cut made by something. Chew. 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 To prick up food in your mouth with your teeth before you swallow. Rub. 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 To put a cream. Liquid onto a surface by wrapping. Pygmy. 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 Trips lived in rainforest in central of Africa for thousands of years. Ancient. 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 Old. Greeks. 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 People from Greece. Europeans. 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 People from Europe. Colonize. 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 Attack another country by force. Indigenous. 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 Living or growing in a place where they are from originally. Harm. 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 To cause damage. Dark skin. Dark skin. Dark skin. The black people. Adult. 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 Fully grown up. Hunting. 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 Catching animals to eat their meat. Culture. 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 The customs, idea, civilization of particular group of people. Hut. 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 A small house in the forest. Mushroom. 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 A type of plant which grows very quickly. Termites. 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 White ants. Caterpillar. 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 An animal like a small hairy worm with legs which changes into a butterfly. Mongolus. 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 A family house made of plants and leaves. Weave. 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 To make cloth. Mat. 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 Carpet that is made of clothes. Honey. 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 Sweet liquid that comes from bees. Primarily. 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 Mainly. Lungs. 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 Parts of the body that are used for breathing. Speaking part. If you have stomachache, boil ginger to make tea. If you have skin rashes and scratches, squeeze aloe vera and wrap on skin. If you have headache, crash leaves of manu and inhale. Grade 6. Unit 5 Lesson D. Step into. Step into. Step into. Go to place, walk into. Get dark. Get dark. Get dark. Become dark, we can't see if there is no light. Closely. 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 Nearly. Shine. 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 Reflect light. Thick. 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 Heavy, not thin. Swing. 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 To move backwards and forwards or from side to side. Sloth. 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 Kind of monkeys. The canopy. The canopy. The canopy. A cover that hangs about something. Rest. 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 To have a rest. Beetle. 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 An insect that has hard coverings for its wings and often a black shiny body. Disappointed. 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 Upset, lose hope. Funny. 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 Something that makes you feel happy. Exciting. 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 Interesting. Embarrassing. 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 Feeling ashamed. Grade 6. Unit 5 Lesson E. Horse. Horse. In front of. In front of. Thin. Thin. Coat. Coat. Rose. Rose. Sergeant. Sergeant. Expert. Expert. Servants. Servants. Search. Search. Tiny. Tiny. Clue. Clue. Go missing. Go missing. Upset. Upset. Silly. Silly. Heirloom. Heirloom. arrest, arrest, proof, proof, household, household, newspaper, newspaper, reporter, reporter, cart, cart, step, step, mustache, mustache, label, label, introduce, introduce, detective, detective, crime, crime, accuse, accuse, look for, accept, accept, wait, wait, hide, hide, stole past of steel, stole past of steel, sell, sell, convinced, convinced, without, without, solve, solve, robbery, robbery, believe, believe.